Hello and welcome back to another video of Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher Code. Today is 13th of June 2024, and the cipher word today we have is Satoshi. But before that, I want to show you guys the International Morse code chart. And if you see the chart, you actually can figure out any word you want. So you actually don't need to know that what you need to type for what specific letter to appear it on the screen. You actually can figure it by yourself. So here's the International Morse code chart. Have a look at this. Sorry, I'm not feeling well. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how we can just type Satoshi. So for S, we need 3 dots. For A, we need a dot and a dash. For T, we need a dash. For O, we need 3 dash. For S, we need 3 dots. For H, we need 4 dots. For I, we need 2 dots. Easy, isn't it? I'll see you guys tomorrow.